It is time for us to go ahead and to see the video surveillance demo. It is very simple and easy. As we have already told you, the connection is to be made from the PiCam to the Raspberry Pi through the FFC cable. And there is a box that we have kept with which we can keep the Raspberry Pi safely inside has come out along with the purchase. So we have used the same box and it is no difficult for you to use the same box. And only thing is you need to power it up properly with the power cable with a small hole that we have made in the box for the ease of handling it. And you can use the double-sided tape appropriately for pasting this box and closing this box. This box will be closed aptly with the tape, and there can be a double-sided tape even in the background to keep it connected on the wall. You can see that we have pasted it on the wall and the camera is facing you, and this can act as a surveillance camera now. This entire unit needs power, and that is also powered up through an adapter cable. Now the Raspberry Pi is powered and this will keep watching the entrance of my home, and we can now watch the surveillance camera carefully for how it is functioning. Now let's go ahead and open the VNC viewer. And from there we need to open the Raspberry Pi kit which is available there through the IP with which we can access it. Now we are opening the Raspberry Pi and you can see that we have got the screen available for us. Let's go into the terminal mode and we need to now access the virtual environment where we have installed our OpenCV. For that, the first step needs to be done here, and that's going to be a simple sourcing. I'm going to do source /dot profile, and then I'll have to get into the CV mode. CV is nothing but my virtual environment. So once I do work on CV, it will take me to the virtual environment called CV where my OpenCV is installed. Now we need to make sure that we are having the IDLE properly available for us. So for that to be done, we are going to open it with the command python -m, and we need to type the command idle lib space idle. This will get us the idle open for us, and with that use the file option available over there. Open the file that we have given you along with the resources, and we have kept it in our desktop, and the name of the file to be opened is cv2picamera.py. So once you click that, it will be available for you to access it, and the code is very simple and you can run the code right now and it will be getting you the complete surveillance done. It is going to capture the video feed real time in grayscale as well as color. You can see that right in front of you, and this is absolutely real time because we are using it through OpenCV. Now I'm going to go out and I'll show you how realistic it is and how real time it is for us to get the feed and how the video surveillance can be done. You can see that now I'm going to go out and you are seeing me here and I'm walking back, and this is absolutely real time and there is no lag, no delay because we have deployed OpenCV. One very important thing to be remembered is to come out of the screen we need to press W because we have coded that way. And for us to come out of the virtual environment, you need to type deactivate command in the screen. That will take you out of the virtual environment, and this is a mandatory step for you to be done. You can see that we are doing it and it is all complete right now. This is the simplest way one can use OpenCV, Raspberry Pi and PiCam for building a simple